Managing operations in industries like restaurants, retail, or hospitality requires strict attention to checklists, food safety, equipment upkeep, and team accountability. That's where Jolt comes in, a digital operations platform and CMMS built to streamline daily tasks, monitor compliance, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Jolt replaces paper processes with mobile first digital tools, helping teams execute routine procedures, monitor equipment, and stay audit ready at all times. Whether you're managing one location or a growing chain, Jolt can centralize and automate much of your day to day operations. In this video, we'll walk you through the core features of Jolt and explain how each one can enhance operational efficiency and accountability in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the digital checklists and task management. At the heart of Jolt is its customizable digital checklist system. Managers can create checklists for daily tasks, safety protocols, equipment checks, and shift procedures. These checklists can include time restrictions, recurring intervals, and photo or signature capture for proof of completion. Digital checklists help enforce standards and reduce human error. They provide visibility into whether tasks are done on time and according to procedure, ensuring consistency across shifts and location. Another key feature is the maintenance and equipment monitoring. Jolt CMMS tools allow teams to track equipment maintenance schedules, log repair history, and receive reminders for inspections or servicing. Each asset can have assigned tasks, instructions, and documentation to ensure it's properly maintained. This feature helps prevent costly downtime and extends equipment lifespan. Staff can quickly report issues through mobile devices, reducing the delay between identifying and addressing a maintenance need. Another key feature is the label printing and food safety compliance. Jolt includes an automated label printing system that integrates with food rotation processes. You can print food prep and expiration labels, reducing risk of food safety violations. It also supports temperature monitoring to ensure cold and hot holding standards are met. Automating food safety helps you stay compliant with health codes and reduces food waste. It ensures staff follow storage timelines precisely without relying on guesswork. Another key feature is the employee accountability and performance monitoring. Each action completed in Jolt is tied to a user profile. Managers can track who completed each task, when it was done, and whether any steps were missed or skipped. This fosters a culture of responsibility and simplifies coaching opportunities. When everyone is accountable for their work, operational consistency improves. Jolt gives managers real time insights into performance, enabling better decision making and team training. Another key feature is the scheduling and team communication. Jolt's scheduling tool allows managers to create, publish, and adjust team schedules while giving staff the ability to request time off or swap shifts. Communication features also enable alerts, updates, and training reminders to be pushed to team members instantly. This reduces confusion around shifts and helps ensure staffing coverage is always aligned with business needs. Centralized communication means important updates are never missed. So why is Jolt a great choice? Jolt is an excellent choice for operations focused businesses seeking better oversight, reduced risk, and more efficient workflows. Its mobile friendly interface allows staff to complete tasks directly from their devices, and the system provides a real time view of what's happening at every location. As of 2025, Jolt continues to evolve with enhanced integrations, updated reporting tools, and improved automation, making it even more valuable for multi unit operators and managers. Its flexibility across industries, from restaurants and convenience stores to healthcare and fitness, makes it a go to platform for organizations serious about consistency and compliance. So, whether you're focused on food safety, equipment reliability, or team accountability, Jolt gives you the tools to run more predictable and efficient operations. So basically, Jolt helps businesses streamline operations, stay audit ready, and improve task accountability, all from one easy to use platform. With digital checklists, CMMS capabilities, food safety tools, and employee performance tracking, Jolt eliminates paperwork and ensures your team is always aligned with your standards. So, whether you're running a single location or overseeing multiple sites, Jolt delivers the structure and visibility needed to operate smoothly and scale with confidence. So, try it out and experience how Jolt can transform your daily operations in 2025. So if you need more information about how Jolt works and more information about its features, you can always visit their website, which is jolt.com. And from here, you can book a demo or a tour to test out their system. And also from here, you'll see a bunch of different information or features that I haven't mentioned. And of course, you'll see their products also right here about their supplies. And of course, simply get a demo if you need more information. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.